This information is for educational purposes only. In today's digital age, understanding cybersecurity is not just an option, it's a necessity. As technology advances, so do the methods used by cybercriminals to exploit vulnerabilities. Therefore, educating yourself on these topics is crucial. Hacking without permission is illegal. Always respect privacy. The laws surrounding cybersecurity are stringent for a reason. Unauthorized access to someone's personal information can lead to severe consequences, both legally and ethically. It's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. This essay will explore how hackers can access your Android phone's camera. By understanding the techniques used by hackers, you can better protect yourself and your personal information. We'll delve into the various methods employed, from phishing attacks to malware, and how these can compromise your device's security. Imagine this: your phone's camera recording you without your knowledge. Scary, right? Hackers can exploit your Android camera remotely. They use various methods to gain access. This is a serious privacy breach. Let's dive into how they do it. Malware is a hacker's best friend. It's a malicious software that infects your device. Hackers disguise malware as legitimate apps. Once installed, it grants them access to your camera. Think twice before downloading apps from unknown sources. Phishing targets your trust. Hackers send deceptive emails or messages. They may impersonate a trusted source. These messages often contain malicious links. Clicking these links can infect your device with malware. Be cautious of suspicious emails and messages. Alright, let's dive into the vulnerabilities that act like open doors for hackers. In today's digital age, our smartphones are like mini computers, holding a treasure trove of personal information. But just like any computer, they can be vulnerable to attacks. You see, Android devices have, well, vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities can be thought of as tiny cracks in the armor of your device's security. They can be anything from outdated software, unpatched bugs, or even poorly designed apps that don't follow security best practices. These are basically weaknesses in the software. When developers create software, they sometimes make mistakes or overlook certain security measures. These oversights can lead to vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. It's like leaving a window open in your house. It might seem harmless, but it can be an invitation for trouble. And, hackers, they exploit these vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. They are constantly on the lookout for these weak points, and once they find them, they can use them to infiltrate your device. This can lead to stolen personal information, financial loss, or even your device being used as part of a larger botnet. They use some pretty sophisticated tools and techniques to do this. Hackers are always evolving, developing new methods to bypass security measures. They might use malware, phishing attacks, or even direct hacking techniques to get what they want. It's a constant game of cat and mouse between hackers and security experts. But here's the good news. Regularly updating your device helps patch these vulnerabilities. Software updates are like patches for those tiny cracks in your device's armor. They fix the bugs and security flaws that hackers might exploit. It's crucial to keep your device updated to ensure it has the latest protections. So stay updated and stay safe. By regularly updating your device, you're taking a proactive step in protecting your personal information and keeping hackers at bay. It's a simple, yet effective way to ensure your digital life remains secure. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, staying one step ahead can make all the difference. Remote control, how they do it. In this section, we will delve into the methods hackers use to gain control over your smartphone, particularly focusing on how they manipulate your camera without your knowledge. Once malware is installed, hackers can control your camera remotely. This malware can be installed through various means, such as phishing emails, malicious apps, or even unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Once the malware is in place, it grants the hacker full access to your device. They can access your camera anytime, anywhere. This means that even if your phone is just sitting on your desk, a hacker could be watching you through your own camera. The malware operates silently, without any indication that your camera is active. They can record videos, take pictures, and spy on you. The footage and images captured can be used for various malicious purposes, such as blackmail, identity theft, or even sold on the dark web. The level of intrusion is alarming and can have severe consequences. This is a major invasion of privacy. The thought that someone could be watching your every move through your own device is unsettling. It highlights the importance of being vigilant about the apps you download, the links you click, and the networks you connect to. Always ensure your phone's security settings are up to date, and consider using security software to protect against such threats. Protecting your privacy. Fight back. Don't panic. You can protect yourself. Install a reputable antivirus app. Be wary of suspicious emails and links. Keep your device's software updated. Cover your camera when not in use. Every step counts. Section 8. Cybersecurity awareness. Your best defense. Cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital world. Stay informed about the latest threats. Educate yourself on safe online practices. Be proactive in protecting your privacy. Stay informed, stay safe with Cyberworld YT. Want to learn more about cybersecurity? Subscribe to Cyberworld YT. We provide valuable insights and tips. Protect yourself and your devices. Join us and stay ahead of the curve.